Good morning to all. In the previous class, we studied about life history strategies. Today, we'll continue population ecology about metapopulation. First, definitions of metapopulation. A metapopulation is a group of same individual living in different places forming patches but movement of individuals from one population to another occurs regularly. The term was coined by Richard Levins in 1969. A metapopulation consists of a group of spatially separated populations of the same species which interact at same level. The Richard Levins describe a model of population dynamics of insects, pests in agricultural fields, but the India has been most broadly applied to species in naturally or artificially fragmented habitat. Population dispersal, movement of individuals into and out of the population is called population dispersal. It plays important role in the geographical distribution of organisms even to the area previously occupied by the numbers of population. Dispersal of organisms occurs for various reasons such as food, protection, prevention from overcrowding, action of wind and water, environmental factors such as light, temperature, breeding behavior, physiological reasons, or for interchange of genetic materials between the populations. Population dispersal occurs in nature in the following three ways. One is emigration, second one is immigration, third one is migration. Now we will study one by one. First one, emigration. Emigration is one way movement of individuals out of a population. This movement is permanent and causes spread of a species to new areas. Emigration under natural condition occurs when there is overcrowding in the population and is generally regarded as an adaptive behavior that regulates the population on a particular site and prevents overexploitation of the habitat. This type of dispersal offers new opportunity to the individuals of a population to interbreed with those of the other populations, leading to more genetic heterozygosis and adaptability. Second one is immigration. Immigration is one way movement of individuals into a population. It leads to rise in density of population. It may result in decreased reproductive capacity of the individuals. Third one is migration. Migration is two way mass movement of the entire population. It involves a periodic departure and return of the individuals of a population and occurs only in organisms during unfavorable periods. It shows by many birds, fishes, and certain mammals. In most cases, migration of population occurs for food, shelter, or reproduction. Through this type of movement of the chances of utilization of resources in the habitats not previously occupied by any organism or crate. However, during migration of population, mortality of numerous individuals may occur due to various ecological hazards such as temperature fluctuation, scarcity of food, predation, etc. Migration has certain benefits for populations as it enables wide dispersion of population. It also avoids intraspecific competition for food, shelter, etc. This is about the meta population. Thank you.